Who's Nina? It's her birthday?
Yeah, she's one.
She can't be one.
And she is.
She's just a little baby. We just had her.
2 days ago was her birthday.
You know what? I remember when we brought her home from the hospital. It was in the 3rd day of July, and it was so hot outside, and we were driving up State Street, and cars honking all over the place, and it was smoggy and smelled bad, and I thought, oh, this poor kid has to come into this world like this, so rotten.
Lauren, Lauren,
Nina,
can you wave? Hi.
Hi. Hi, Nina.
Lauren. Hi.
Hi.
Can you kiss?
Yes. You kiss? Nina.
Well, should we sing happy birthday to her?
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nina. Happy birthday to you.
Blow it out.
Pinch it out.
No.
Go.
Yeah.
Everybody else blow it out. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
Well, she won't get her wish this year.
Yes, she will. She'll wish that she's one. She is one. This is Dad time. Yay, He's clapping for himself.
Is that her birthday cake?
Yes.
Her birthday cake.
1, 2, 3.
Is that yummy, Neen? Do you like your birthday cake?
Let's see if she wants her present.
Let's see if she wants it. Okay.
Move right.
Which one do you want? Let's show what her present is.
You got it. Huh? Huh?
She's gonna love it. toys. She's excited, you guys.
Well, was that fun, Neen? Have a good birthday. Lots of cake. Who cares about anything else?
Lauren, can you do any tricks for us? Lauren? La 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 la.
Dean gets the candle.
Half of this?
I want the candle. Oh, candle. I said it first.
Nobody gets the candle.
Yeah, nobody gets the candle.